I'm Chef Ryan. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking on Countertops. Today we're going to be cooking on this beautiful piece of Trillium. It is a piece of decked in by Cosentino. And today we're also going to have a special guest chef with us, Chef George. Hola.
Hi Ryan, nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Hell yeah.
Today we're going to do something very simple. Salmon with bacon salt and a bacon macaroni and cheese. Something that even your kids will love, but something gourmet enough where you could have a guest over and you'll be proud to serve it. What I love about this is the salmon. With salmon, I typically don't like getting fish in a restaurant unless it's a great chef preparing it. The fish can be overdone, so we're going to show you how to make a very simple salmon. So to begin, salmon, we always like to start by brining, a little saltwater brine. So I have a little water here. Ryan, if you could just take the salt, salt up that water.
And how much are we getting in here?
Get about an eighth of a cup, but say 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm going to let that sit for about 15 minutes. Cool. So in the meantime, the macaroni and cheese.
Yes! Bacon mac and cheese. We've all been looking forward to this all week.
So you can keep this super simple, but we like to bring it up a little bit, don't we? So we're going to go ahead and start with some pancetta. Have you had pancetta?
I have not.
So think about bacon. If bacon grew up, went to chef school, and became awesome. Not that you can make bacon any more awesome, but that's pancetta. So let's get a good caramelization on the pancetta.
Okay. So we'll give this a few seconds. All right, so now that our pancetta's all done.
Now, we're gonna blow your mind with this dish, how easy it is, but we can't really take credit. This is a Serious Eats recipe. We just added the pancetta. So if you want more details, Serious Eats has a great 3-ingredient mac and cheese. So now, you just toss macaroni. You're gonna do equal parts. Macaroni to cheese to evaporated milk. So 12 ounces of macaroni, just enough water to cover.
Okay.
Stir this until the water evaporates. You just keep moving it and letting the starches thicken and coat the pasta. Now the water's evaporated, we're going to toss in evaporated milk and the cheese. We're using cheddar, a little fontina. I love fontina because it melts so well. And then we also did a little bit of
just a little cheese.
Jarlsberg. You could use a Swiss or any other kind of cheese you want. While that's melting, we are going to start the fish. So now the fish, pat it dry. Then we'll put the pepper right on the pan. This is our bacon salt. Made with real bacon and flake salt. You know, I just lost 60 pounds, and this bacon salt's what helped me.
A little bit more than that?
It tastes amazing. Yeah, go for it. All right, great. Now we're just going to put the salmon right on. Go and season the top.
Everything tastes better like with bacon.
Absolutely. Now let's turn this on high.
Okay.
Let's give this a little stir, and then we're just going to let it cover and let the cheese all melt. And that's it. We're going to toss back the cooked pancetta.
Wait, before we go any further, you get your sizzle, Mom? There you go. We'll go ahead and take care of the salmon. Ooh. Maybe.
Grab some of that skin. And right on top.
Oh boy.
Can't get enough of the bacon.
Alright, dig into this mac and cheese. Oh my god, it tastes like bacon.
The pancetta and the salt, you can't go wrong. You will throw away your box mac and cheese. This is so easy to do.
I think we might have to.
I'll dig into that salmon. Hear that crisp?
And mind you, I am not a big fish fan.
Verdict?
Wow. So we just want to say thank you to everyone that was able to help us put this episode together. We've got the decked-in top from Cosentino, the piece of Trillium, which has been absolutely amazing. Our Visa cookware pan with the honeycomb design in the inside, which worked perfect for the salmon. Kitchen Craft helped us out. We were able to put the mac and cheese in here, and as you guys can see, it was absolutely amazing. Coblon gave us these wonderful kitchen cabinets. Invisicook, of course, for putting on, for letting us use their system here. And then we've got George with Collected Foods.
Thank you. And you can check out our spices on collectedfood.com. You could also go to Amazon, where this bacon salt and a host of our other spices are all available on Amazon Prime.
Well, thank you guys for joining us. Thank you, George, for joining us as well. And we hope you guys come back for another episode. This is amazing. This is so good. Oh my God, George.